Well, seems like my microphone is off. Well, alright, I will do the introduction again. Alright, yeah, chat, it's off. No voice. Alright, hello everyone. I forgot to disable the microphone. To enable the microphone, sorry. Today we are going to do a short stream, only a few hours. We are going to finish updating all the protocol. There are only a few things left. Recipes, for example. We are going to update all the safest recipes to save, because MCPE needs that. We try to work around that on the code, but seems like it really needs that. And then later I will show you some new features using like extra data that is needed from 0.12 and some new features on the new Google form, so we can add more blocks instead of logs, more than one block in the single space. And then later I just do a build so everyone can test it, because I have finally updated most of the things, so you can join it and play around. A few things might not work as expected, but well, it's a test. So alright, we should start. A few people will join later over TeamSpeak, so we'll have more conversation going on. Does the microphone sounds right? I will just wait for a reply. Let's see. There. So first, all the packet I did changed. This was before in hexadecimal 82. It's now 87, so we bump everything 5 numbers down. That was not expected, because this was caused over a RACnet update. From protocol 5 we are now at protocol 6 on RACnet, and seems that RACnet added a lot of new packets, so everything got bound. I will try to do something so this doesn't happen in the future, because for example old or new clients won't be able to get the outdated screen if this login packet doesn't exist. Besides that, I just finished implementing the recipes and some other stuff, just testing. Let me alright, let's start with the recipes. So we have this big list of recipes. They're implemented this way, and they don't have a shape. Everything is shapeless, because it was easy to implement, but we need to implement it as shape. So if we go to save recipe, we can create a shape there, but I'm going to create a helper method so we can just like define things, and you will see. I can explain it, but you will see. 1 second. Alright. Seems like some people have some problems. Alright. So we could construct this using like a shape directly, but we are going to like help ourselves. We also need a get size. Oh no, we have a big shape recipe. Shapeless. I see already a lot of questions. We will do a short question and answers part at the end of the stream, so everyone can ask their questions there, because otherwise I'm not going to do anything now. Oh, right. There seems like we don't have sound over TeamSpeak. There. Oh, it crashed. Nice. We start with some crashes from TeamSpeak. Alright. Yeah, that should work. To connect. Oh. Hello? Can you... Oh, well.
Hello?
Alright, yeah. You can hear me. Or not. Ah, that's not. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, yes.
Alright, good. Do you hear all the noise?
That's good.
What about now?
Perfect.
Alright, so we are set. Turn the music down. Oh yeah, I will. 1 second. I'll do this. There. Alright, I'm going to implement some methods so we can get the type of the recipe. Alright, in case I will just do with instance of. So I want to implement something so you can write
Something.
yes, something. You will see in the stream I'm trying to show what I'm going to implement. Now let's do it for what can I show? Oh yeah, pickaxe. Something like that. Wait, it's not finished there. I can register it like that. Automatically it fills everything, so we can just do whatever later. Maybe this will have a different thing. But yeah, that's the idea. So now we have to implement it. So we need to get the last param. Yeah, this needs to be at least 2. Oh, buzzing noise. Sorry for that, but it seems like interesting. 1 second. I can do that. Do you still hear it? Well, I think this is better than before. I still have to get a good microphone. I'm still moving all my things here, so you will have to lower the volume and just go with it and try. That should work. Allow post. I'll try to fix the sound later. Oh wait, let me... There. We'll have more songs now. So now I have to change every single recipe, but I won't do that now on the stream because it's going to be way too boring, but I will do that later, soon after in the stream, or even in the stream if we have time. So I will just change one of them. Let's see, this one seems like a good candidate. Fuck. This is very small. No, it was, yeah. Yeah. So I think I could do this on a regex. Oops, forgot this. What? Oh, this was interesting. There we go. In fact, I think I can just join a server and just grab all the recipes from there automatically. I'll do that later, but for now we have that for testing. Let's start pocketmine. Oh, crash. 995. Oh yeah, I can start it from there. Oh wow. explains it. There we go. Wait. Equals no. Let's update it. I mean, it was not working before. Now it works. Oh. Oh, so they were setting it like that. Alright. Then it should work. I have almost everything set. That should work. Let's test it. Guess we can do it another way. No, we still need it. Oh no. Let's just do it manually. Sometimes this happens, you implement something and then you decide not to implement it. guess that works. Five. One more. Also, this new recipe system allows to have like conflicting recipes, like get from blanks, button, something else that use the same ingredients, have the same shape, but produce different stuff. At least it works on Pocket. A Pocket Edition build has been already released, so I think you might be able to get that now. I have it on this phone. I grabbed it from the office to test today. Yeah, so you will be able to test at the end of the stream. So this is what I will have to do later, and this can be deleted. For example, this one, this will get more interesting. From forest string we can craft wool, so we can do XX, XX, like that. Let's see if this works. X. This is interesting. Let's clone the item as well. Why is it not working? Aha, that explains it. Wait, what? That's... Oops. Ah, forgot about one. That. It set also checks for null. And this is like is set for arrays. I only use it when I have to check for null as well. Don't use in array, that creates a linear search and it's slow when if you can index it by key. What about now? Oh. That's the part about PHP that I don't like and no one likes. The order is different on every part of the language. Also, pocketmine is already 1.6 and the new code name is redacted. You won't know it. So I'm going to test them, just to see if they just show up. Let's see, what name do I have here? Let's go with shock chips. You should see the server here. Yes. I joined. Give myself some good. At least I did not crash. I don't see the crafting recipe. Why? Oh, I know why. I did not implement sending them. That explains everything. Alright, so I also created, like, split everything from the data packet into a binary string so we can do access on strings directly without calling the binary methods all the time. That's good. Yeah. Oh no, it's not this one. So, who was this one? I think it was... Oh yeah, I have to implement something else here as well. I don't have it.
Last night, visions of sunsets fade down into the night sky. Your eyes lit up with moonlight. Eyes, the fog lights clearing the darkness. The black skies hiding the bright sky.
I have to check the order of some things. I have to check my notes. First we send that and then we send the entire data. Aha, so that checks for null.
Visions of darkness, face up under the night sky.
That will work.
Your eyes, ghost over moonlight. Eyes, up above these
Stay or the right. Let's see.
above these cold waves. I can save these last days.
The order here is important because the client will do it in the same way. Like that. And then we do the same for the other value. I will call that x. Oops.
Open my hand to the sea. Take one step back.
Yeah.
I'm closer. Rising tide escapes my feet. Still holding back while I'm closer. Open my hand to the sea.
Oops, what am I doing? That's not proper syntax. Yeah, then we write like that. Where is it?
Myself
There.
with ideas
There.
from the
Yeah, I changed this from last time you saw it. It uses a binary stream now.
quickly turn to ride the thoughts flow. Take it from me, I'll be fine.
Should work. Right? Let me see. Put everything. Oh, maybe we need a UID, of course.
Open my hand to the sea.
Forgot about that there as well.
Step closer.
Was it working?
Allow the waves
Oh well,
reach your feet.
fixed it.
So people are asking why PHP?
Why PHP? I think you have a link for that.
I do, but it's funnier when you say it.
Oh yeah, PHP. Well, can you post a link as well on the chat so they can see it later? It was because, well, there is no because. First, Pocketmine was never intended to become a server like this. It was like a tool to reverse engineer the Minecraft Pocket Edition protocol and document it. And it did a job, but then people started using it as a server. Then I added some gameplay stuff, then I sent their own doing stuff right, and that's what Pocketmine is right now. I made some hacks around some PHP features that no one likes to convert it to a better language, you will say. We also have threading and a lot of other interesting stuff. That's why we release custom binaries as well. And that's what Pocketmine is right now. That's too long, did not read. I can't talk about why did I choose PHP for I will have to say a lot of things. And also it was the first language that I learned, so I'm very comfortable in it. Hey, did you post the link on the chat?
Can't find it.
You can trigger it on IRC. Nope, no, it's not that. Just use IRC, I think it's somewhere. There was some command. Maybe Mr. Quoter. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright. Yeah. Let's continue. This actually works. That is interesting. So I was sending wrong data all along. Nice. Let's start it again. Oh. Do I see the recipes? I don't. Whoa, what? That was not expected. Maybe later I will try to get the phone to show the screen on stream, but not now, because I just got it today. Actually, I'm not sending it. Wait. Also, there seems to be something interesting. Oh! That explains a lot of things. We can use most of it. make this a helper method. In fact, I have to do it again. This is not going to work. Oh. Sandstorm. I can put a remix. Maybe. I don't know if that will be blocked. This. Yeah, that should work. This copies everything, so fuck this. Oh, we're only using it here. That's good. Credits. This should work. Of course, we will crash. Yeah. Oh. Wait, that was right before. Rename this. Oh wow, not that. That's no, Pocketmine 1.5 won't be released here. I'm going to release a bar, so PHP archive, so you can build, use like CR12 with Pocketmine. It's not going to be a like promoted build. I'm going to post a link manually, so you can test it. There, perfect. Changes everything. No. No. Right. actually use less things, but let's do this. Or no. Fuck, it's going to be a array. Yes. Vector 2. Ooh, all the vectors instead of arrays. At least we don't have to do this every time we initialize it, we use it. It's only when initializing it, so I guess we can do that. And then there we go. This works. This will work. Yes, we get it. And then I fall to the ground. Why can't I break that block? Oh, I broke it. That did not work before. And I get the crafting recipe. Nice. Yeah, crafting not yet implemented. That's good. Let's commit. Right click. Oh. Did I add it? Yeah. Next, let's do crafting. So that is execute on player. Well, I can't show you what happens. Well, I guess I can get a screenshot and then post it. Let me get this cable. What is this song? From Approaching Nirvana album. I can't get it right now, but the song is Imperfection. You can search it. So, there is something new on this award achievement. Why does it? Wait, what? Oh well. Anyways, so we have a way to set extra data on every block, not as a tile entity, but as an extra block attached there. For example, on vanilla, you can have a snow layer block with dead bush or grass inside of it. I will show you. So, if the client walks around, I will just set this level and level. Set. This is a very common way to debug things for me. I just set things where the player walks. And yes, the player is a vector. So we are setting the main block to, let's do it with snow. This works on other builds, but no, it works on multiplayer because it was not serialized before. And I also added some extra stuff, so you can actually render a lot of those blocks. Yeah, let's do snow layer. I'm going to show you how it works first, and then the other stuff. Direct through, files, don't update. And then we set the data. Set extra data add. Whoa, what? This is also saved. Mine not on the current build. I don't know why, but that will be fixed later. We can actually fix it. This is a bit buggy, so not all the things might work, but I'm going to set it to a dead boss. So that should work. Yeah. Let's test it. I will post a picture. Oh wait, let's see first. let's remove that. Oh, I commit that. Amend. I have impose so I can amend things. No. But don't do this like, oh yeah, it's happening. Let's see, I think I can get the screenshot this way. There we go. So now if I open it here, screenshots, maybe pictures, yeah. Last one, yeah. So bear with me, I'm going to create a new window capture, yeah. Oh, it's red. Oh well. Swap. Okay, so there you can see what I just did. As you can see, there are, let me do it here. There is a snow block, and then there is the extra data for the boss setting there. So the interesting part is that this works on the Wheels 3 on single player, now it works on multiplayer, and the server can also send other logs, and the client will try to render them. Sometimes it fails horribly, and sometimes it works. So a lot of stuff can be done. Let me close this. So for example, what if, let's go back. Instead of a snow layer, what can we do there? We can do a fence. So the data set. And let's start it. Yes, it seems like it works. So I will take a picture of this. Wait, I think I can do this. Yeah. Then we have this. So we have the same thing, but inside of a fence post. The fence post renders correctly. Let's try doing it inverted. So we render first the grass and then the post. I have not tried that. We might crash here.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's interesting. So what if we do the path and then fence? Will I crash? It loads. Oh, but it doesn't render the fence. Well, let's try other things. So what works is that we can have things inside of water. It doesn't work that well right now. I might fix it later, not on pocketmine but on MCPE. But you can already see how it works. So you could have things like algae or whatever. Water. Wait, we can have water lily inside of water. Oh, I will do something later. Yeah, let's run that. Yeah, this is partially broken. I have to do some stuff. All right. Wait for it. Ah. it's hard to take a picture of this because I have to move. Oh, there. Let's see. There. Now let's see. Oh, I'm dying. Wait. There. Now we have that. Second. Oh! It continues there. So we have all the grass inside of water. If there is something inside of water, the water no renders as solid. I will try to fix that later. I mean, this was working like 10 minutes before we released the build, and then we found a bug, so we had to fix that. Let's see, next. Let's try to do random stuff with it. So what if we have a water lily and then that inside? Will that work? Custom render is like a Syriac now. Syriac, oh. Let's not go there. So this actual alright. As you can see, some things are a bit broken. This is not the most broken thing ever. Let's show it. There. As you can see, the water lily renders partially black. It doesn't render the alpha layer. I think it's... In fact, I don't know why that happens. Everything else renders. What if we do it the other way? This is so fun to experiment with. Now I can... well, my phone, it's not my phone. It's a Nexus. It's a prototype. Maybe, I don't know. What if I do that? This actually works. So I will post a picture with the two of them for comparison. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. That's before. This is now. I like how it looks. Let's try to make it grass. Also, you don't need to take picture of that if you want to show it on Twitter. Well, if you want, but I'm going to post this later on YouTube. So what if we do this with tall grass? I think I created a new decoration. Let's see. Let's change this first. There we go. This might even look great on water. I don't know. And the block itself, can I target the block? Oh yeah, if I break it, everything breaks. Not that it crashes, but it breaks both of them. Breaking this kind of block has not been implemented on pocketmine, so if you place something else there, it will pop in, but I will implement that later. What else? Let's see. Yes, pocketmine 1.6 will support Windows 10 edition. Not the version that is currently right now, but the next one that will be released later. So here comes the interesting part. We can render two blocks that have like the same cross. For example, tall grass and the dead boss, and they will collide. And that makes a funny thing. It's not a funny, you don't see it live because it flickers back and forth. Oh whoa, that's even more broken than I expected. Well, it's flickering for me, like textures are fighting. Did I remove it? Oh no, I did not remove it at all. Well, I just flipped things, so you can see it there. As you can see, things get more broken. Let's try to render. I think we can render. We have a slab.
It's a good way to find bugs.
It's not a bug, it's a feature, as you will say. It's something that you are not intended to do. What if we do this? Oh, Anvil. The Anvil on phones is not working. Something happens when you test on the computer while you are developing. Everything works and as soon as you publish and send the APK to the phone, it stops working. We do the same steps, but on the computer it works, and on the phone it fails. We are still looking into that. Let's run it. This is interesting. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. We have slabs with things in them. Oh, whoa, something really strange happened here. Let me see. Oh, there we go. As you can see, I'm just walking around and putting everything. Oh, and everything gets saved now. Okay. That's interesting. It did not work before.
So they had to add it because of the snow, right?
Yeah, they added this because of the snow. And at first it was a special case only for the snow, so you want to do it for the render, you had like normal render and then if block equals no layer. And I did not like that, so I just created a method that tells if the block can be rendered with extra data inside, and made that non-solid blocks can have extra data inside. That, for example, breaks some blocks if you have extra data. For example, if you have glass, this music with something inside. Let's see. Oh no, I started a world. Oh, it's crashed. Oh no, it did not. Trying to connect. Oh well. We'll have to look into that. Alright, oh, here we go. So let's jump a bit. I'm trying to get inside of blocks. Did it. Let's see. yeah, pocketmine will add commands for whatever you want. Can I break this? I can. Oh, sneak it. Almost had it. Glass is interesting because I have to get inside of it. I think I could just replace the method pass. Oh. This is working now. Oh, there we go. So, let's take a picture. Right now, I'm inside of a glass block. The glass renders black from outside, so you can't see the inside, but if you go inside, you see that the block is there. But something that I have not tried is to swap everything. So let's have glass. Let's make cast the cane. And then the cursor side. Will that work? This actually works, and you can go through it. So you can have glass and go through it. Oh, this is nice. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. So if we swap everything, it works. 1 second. There we go. Oh, this is nice. At least it doesn't crash, which is nice. If you have questions, I will just run a question and answer part at the end of the stream. But right now, let's experiment new stuff. This is what I wanted to show you, that you can do random stuff. I'm sure that people will find new ways to use this feature. I think mods will be able to do a lot of stuff with this. Or maybe not, who knows. But yeah, it's working. Let's do one last test. Let's see. What kind of things would you like to see inside of a block? Like non-solid blocks, things that are transparent or partial blocks. What do you want to see inside of one of those blocks? I just choose block inside and the block outside, and I will try to execute it so you can see it. Just type it in the chat. It needs to be a block. Because I can't think of something to end this, so let's choose the best one from the chat. Let's try. What interesting block do we have? Glowstone will work, but that is, you won't see it. Beacons? No, we don't have beacons. Chests are a tile entity. Beacons again. How many screens do you have? Right now only one, but I will have 3 soon. Torch inside of grass. Torch is interesting because it did not render before for me. Let's...
Flowers.
Now let's go with flower and a torch. So I know that torch and flower will work, but I'm going to try with like flower and then torch to see if it renders on the second one. If not, I will just try the first one. Right, they have. Let's see if that works. I keep opening the console when I can just render it. I do it here. Ah, it does not. So let's just flip it. That should work. It does. Sorry, you can't join this server right now. You might be able to do that other days because this is on my internal network. I'm testing it really fast. But later when I develop other things, I will just open a server on the internet so you can join it, and I will just push things every 10 minutes or so. But as I'm just testing a lot of stuff here, it will be way slower if I do that. Let's see. So this is how it looks. 1 second. Oh, there. The flower renders a bit offset because it's a bit random, but still you can have two things on the same place. One thing that I have not tested is rendering a solid block inside of a transparent block. So let's try to render bedrock. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't. Interesting. This will work. Well, let's make that a feature. Anyway, let's remove that screen. Let's remove this code. Soul, sand and grass. No, that won't work. Oh well, wait. Soul sand is transparent. Well, it's... let's just test it. Soul, sand and grass. Let's try it. I think the block is only a bit offset, it's not transparent. Maybe it is. It's not. Alright, yeah, that doesn't work. Almost tight. So now, what can we do? Actually, let's make a build. So you will be able to just join and do random stuff. You don't have everything implemented, but we will add more stuff later. I don't have something else to comment. Wow. So let's push. Yeah, and we have plugin 0. Let's install DevTools.
When I'm falling down, it's easy to let go, 'cause every time I reach, you're standing below. Lift me with helium, fill me with oxygen. Oh, you are everything that keeps me
Pocketmine,
breathing.
plugins, drop it there and just restart it.
Because I know that you are by my side. You are my life support, my respiration.
Second, just to
Everything that keeps me breathing.
I think it's only that. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, you are everything that keeps me breathing.
It's building. Oh, yeah, it has been created. So let's upload it somewhere.
Oh, you are everything that keeps me breathing.
Let's see where to upload it.
When I can't see, and the tidal
I will just use.
I rush to swim, but still I'm walking.
Yeah, this works. Oh wait, we need something for later. 14 days, that will work. There will be new things later. Let's see, there. Let's go to pocketmine. So, just after giving you the link, I will do a question and answers part, so you don't need to install it. Also, you need like how to know how to install this to use it. It might corrupt all your walls or just kill everyone in your house. I don't know. It's development release. It's been uploaded. Let's just post the link. Wait, I have to open. And this is just a PHP artsy. So if you don't know how to install this, this is not for you. Waiting. There we go. I'm going to post it on the pocketmine channel. And now let's stop developing. I will post the link on Twitter later. Let's just do an answering questions. So I will open the window so you can see everything and just start asking, when is pocketmine going to update for version 0.12? Now! I just did it. I will tweet about this later. Okay, when will alpha build 4 be out? Now? Should be out already. Will pocketmine ever be able to do mobs? Yes! 1.6 final release, not this right now that I just gave out, but we are going to add them during 1.6 development. What is pocketmine? Good question. It's a custom software to create Minecraft Pocket Edition servers and add plugins to them, so you can just run it on your home or on a server and just connect to it and play with friends. Yes, that PHP artist is the same one as the branch on MCPE 0.12. If I commit something else, it won't be anymore, but it's what I just released. Will the Wither be added in the next build? We don't add features like that. If we are releasing builds for beta testing, that means that all the features have been added and we are only fixing bugs. Adding features later, that will just create something really bad, and it's not that easy to add features. Hello, Phil Fat. Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, that input tool. But now we have PHP threads. Anyway, just drop over the IRC later if you have something to talk about. Can I make a server for free? Yes, it's free for whatever you want to use it. I mean, the computer you are running it on, it's not free, but the software is free and full open source. Would you make arrows work on pocketmine? They already work. What do you mean by making them work? Link again, as I will post it later on Twitter, and on the description I can just post it again. Remember, Remember that this is only for advanced users. Where was I? Windows 10 edition, it is the same code as the 012 for phones, it's just a different interface right now. So everything will work. Are you planning to remake your Big Brother plugin for Pocketmine soon? Yes, I might! The only problem is everything is time. We might even just integrate it on Pocketmine, or maybe not, who knows. It's just that everything takes time, and just for example creating a stream takes a bit more of time because I have to reply all your questions. So I would prefer to leave that after everything has been set and developed, because if I start working on that, I won't be able to work, for example, on Mob AI, and we want that. I still don't see proof for, yeah, it might take a few hours. I don't know, it depends on the store. Yes, servers will work for people in other countries, but you have, if you put it on the side of your network, you have to port forward. How can I use the 1.6 step? I already said this is for advanced users only. If you don't know how to use it, you might not need to do it. I need the link. I just posted it. Please. Will be there iron doors? No, they need redstone. Will arrows work on Pocketmine? But arrows already work in Pocketmine. Will horses come the future on Pocketmine? Yeah, if they get that on Minecraft Pocket Edition, of course. Do you have performance charts on how much RAM cores for how much players? First, the important part. You need, you don't need a lot of cores. You want to have a really fast processor with like 3.5, even 3.9 if you can get it, gigahertz. That will work really well for Pocketmine. You want less cores and more speed for the CPU. No, so, oh, whoa, that's a lot of things. So you are making like PhD servers for Minecraft server management? No, this is a full Minecraft server, so you can connect to it and play. Which software is this? Pocketmine? Oh, I think I know you. Let me read. Yes, you can use this PHP archive on the application on Android, but you have to put it manually somewhere. When will Pocketmine generate MCPE terrain with caves and dungeons? As I said before, we have different codes, so we have to re-implement everything, and sometimes it's a bit hard or it has a big impact on performance, so we might do that later, but not right now. Lifeboat, that's completely different. If the arrows don't work there, that's lifeboat fault. Thank you for adding the field of view slider. I did not add it, I just say that someone added it. We don't have rabbits. We have the rabbit fit, but not rabbits. Paintings! Oh, we can add them there, and it is so they work on other versions, but after rewriting everything, they did not work anymore. But I think we can implement them, they are very easy. Did you join the MCPE team because I wanted to make an official MCPE server? Not for that, more for realms. Yeah, that will be official, and because I have been working a lot of on a lot of the network, and they don't like working on that part, so I work on that part. Beta 4 has not been released yet. I will check in a few minutes after I read all the questions if it has been released and just tell you if it has been, there has been any problem. Pocketmine graphical interface project disappeared, and there was one guy that was updating it, but the guy itself disappeared. It's not that the project has disappeared, and as everything you need time. Oh, you want commands? Just join a Pocketmine server. They have commands. Just not on single player. Can't wait for Shadow of multiplayer. You can already do it. Hey, how come my IP is blacklisted on your ARC? Oh, maybe you did something. I will check the logs later. What are the differences between Pocket and Pocketmine Politics licenses? They are open source? Yeah, both are open source. Pocket is still alive. Craft Pocket is not alive. That was GPL and included parts of Minecraft or original code. But on Pocketmine we have written everything from scratch, so we don't have that problem, and it's also LGPL, so even better. So as we have written everything from scratch, we don't use the code, so we follow everything. I'm trying to read all the questions. There's a lot of duplicated stuff. So we won't be able to get the full MCPE type terrain for MCPE on Pocketmine. I didn't say that you won't be able to get it. You can just write a plugin to do it if you know how to code. It's just that not right now because we have to work on other stuff like mobs, and everything takes time. And I'm on like one guy and others helping, but I do most of the stuff. Do you have a plan for level type conversion support like Amble to MC region? I might create a tool to do that, because otherwise doing it on runtime might be a bit expensive because you need to do a lot of stuff. But it's not a priority. If you keep spamming your question, I will just ignore you, so don't do that. Does Pocketmine have an official server? Why would you like an official server of a server software? Yeah, you will be able to join there, but it will take a lot of time to moderate it. So just we have a server list where you can go, an official server list. It's on the forum, or go to pocketmine.net and just click on servers. The music is too loud. Let me, oh whoa, that did a lot. Alright, this will be better now. Can you make an update of the Pocketmine Politics license? No, I can't. That will just make Pocketmine not exist anymore. And you can port the generator code. In fact, that will kill Pocketmine. Do you want Pocketmine to die? Yeah, this user say Pro P20. Can you make an update of the Pocketmine Politics to add parts of generator code of MCPE? Also, if you use full caps, I won't even read your question. I'm going to read everything, but if you repeat stuff or just use full caps, that doesn't say anything. Where to download new pocketmine? I posted the link before. I will going to post it again. How can I change the scheme PNG to binary? The binary version is just all the pixels in a stream. I think it's RGBA or ARGB. So alpha, red, green, blue, or red, green, blue, alpha. You have to check. How does controller support work on MCP? I did not do that. Someone did that, but I think you plug in a controller and MCP should detect it. 1.6 development place. I already developed and I'm doing a short stream today because I have to go to sleep. Will the AMP let you rename items in buffer? No, that's a bug and we are working on it. Can you make it so that pocketmine-mp is compressed to 1 byte? Yeah, you could just make a program that is the same size as pocketmine, just get that byte, and if it's, for example, a specific value, they compress it as pocketmine. Otherwise, don't do it. And that is a way to compress it. You just have a program that is bigger. What is the difference between pocketmine-mp and pocketmine-soft? Pocketmine-soft adds some advanced options, not a lot of stuff, and just add some like less safe settings, but that people like, because usually people don't even read the pocketmine configuration file to tune their server. If you tune your server, it will run way better. pocketmine-soft just like set something really low, so users won't complain, but you can like almost run pocketmine-mp as pocketmine-soft with the same configuration file and it will have the same performance. Because pocketmine-mp already has a lot of optimizations like other servers could apply on top of GraphBookit. I already designed it in mine to be really efficient, so I find it very hard to add new features to solve that, improve the performance, and if I do, usually I just implement it in pocketmine-mp. Thanks for your work on pocketmine 1.6. Thank you. Fly. How long in general does it take you guys to make an build? Well, first we try to fix most of the biggest bugs, and then it's just time. Yeah, most of the time to fix them. Can you explain how to connect controllers on MCP? I haven't tried that, but if you have Bluetooth one or something else, I don't know. Does enchantment tables have all enchantments at MCPC? Maybe not all, maybe not thorns or something like that. I don't remember, but we have most of them. Hello, why it does not work? Good question. Have you tried to plug it off and plug it on again? Maybe that will help. I don't know what you are talking about. Well, Sogi, thanks you for pocketmine-mp. Just hope you can keep up with Pocketmine and your Mojang job. When was Pocketmine founded? On October 2012. That's where I commit the first thing. We'll release Pocketmine 1.0 on December 2012. No, Windows 10, the current Windows 10 edition is not compatible with phones or pocketmine because the multiplayer was broken, but a future update will fix that. Do you have information about the pthreads project for the PHP port by Crack Joe? Have you checked Twitter? I read the tweet that they have been updating it, so I'm trying to get the binaries working, but a lot of extensions need to be updated as well. You don't want to use PHP 7 right now. It's very buggy, and it has even code execution vulnerability, so if you run your server with that, you might have really serious issues. I think it will be good to change the picture of pocketmine because the nether reactor core isn't available anymore. No, it's not! So we can remind how pocketmine was founded. Still, the nether reactor is in the game, the texture itself, so we can just keep using it. Okay, on behalf of all of everyone here, I would like to thank you for all your work on pocketmine. Thank you. Are you going to try and base pocketmine server on MCPE's code, not that you work at Munja? No, that's the point. Pocketmine is done from scratch in a different way, and sometimes we talk about pocketmine because everything has been done with a plugin API in mind. That's not the case of MCP. So we have a lot of special cases everywhere that in pocketmine they are abstracted away, but on MCP you can find a lot of stuff. Like on the input code, we even check for water specifically. What is the music? It's from Approaching Nirvana. Let me check the title. This is Illusions Continuous Mix. So this has a lot of songs. Just check that group, there are links in the description. We'll be able to play with PC users. What is a PC user? One with Windows 10 or one with the Java version? The Java version uses a different protocol. So what is pocketmine? It's a custom server software for Minecraft Pocket Edition, so you can create a server and join it with friends or just play online. For example, Lifeboat uses pocketmine on almost every other server. Or if they use a different software, that software uses pocketmine as a base to get the protocol information and do stuff. Who exactly are you? And are you affiliated with Mojang? Or are you Soggy? I'm a pocketmine noob. Who am I? Yes, I'm Soggy. Soggy Cervantes or Soggy CP on Twitter. And yes, I work at Mojang, but pocketmine is my personal project. It's not affiliated with Mojang, so it's not an official server. Still, it's my software. It's a custom server software. I use it at work to test the stuff, but it's not something that Mojang owns or official. So to avoid future problems in the update, do it ahead of time. Well, I did that for 1.5 partially, but for 12 we added lots of stuff, so we had to work really hard, and I was very tired when I got home, so I did not have time to do pocketmine work. What is your favorite MCPE YouTuber? I will say DarioWolf20. He does a lot of mod gameplays. Soggy, I love your accent. Soggy, I love you. That's how everything started. Wait, what? What did I say? What? Oh well. Soggy, why does everyone blame you? That's a long story. It started from the Pocketmine channel where random users joined and told me to implement something or something didn't work, and then I said, just blame Mojang, because it was Mojang's fault. And as soon as I got there, I fixed most of those issues. But then, some other day, William Tether just said something, and I said to him, I blame you. And from then on, he just said, I blame Soggy, and then he made a website to blame me. And I tweeted that, and everyone on the MCPE team and Jen straight tweeted that as well. And that's most of the history. Are you ever going to sell Pocketmine to Mojang? I don't know if that will improve Pocketmine survivability, yes, but you don't know. I mean, I want Pocketmine to be alive, but they are not interested in buying it, of course no. But of course, you don't know what you're going to do. I can still work on my free time, so they don't mind. In fact, it also, helps a lot for the developing thing, because we can test random stuff. Like I just show up, I just put a lot of blocks that is very hard to do on the code itself of MCPE. Dinosaurs in Pocketmine. I can't add that from Pocketmine. So yeah, just to answer your question, no, I'm not selling Pocketmine. Actually, I received offers from other staff. They wanted to buy Pocketmine for $1,000 and just pay me like $5 a month to continue developing it. It's like, do you even know what a programmer does? But yeah. So isn't it weird that MCPE 0.12.x alpha and we are beta testing alpha? Oh yes, I remember the times when we had a development version of an alpha version of Pocketmine. No, a beta of a development version of an alpha. That's more strange. But yeah, and the beta only tells you that we are testing the version there. Let's see. How many developers work on MCPE? At the office in Sweden, it's 4 mostly, and then some other product work. And then at the Microsoft office, we have more teams helping us. What headphones do you have on? I got them from Media Market. I don't know. They were nice to wear. I might get better ones later. Let's see.
Inhale and exhale.
What's the story if you first started to learn code? Well, that's a long story, but I will put it short. I started learning to code after rage quitting because I was playing a game and I just was really bad at it. So I will try to make my own game and just downloaded something that was a very old version of someone trying to create something like that, a clone. Then I tried to update it and add random stuff, modifying things around, you will say like I learned by trial and error. The pocketmine version available today? It's already available. I will just post it again. Do you think case will be added to Pocket Edition? Yes, after we have authentication. If we have authentication, you won't be able to get random caves. Only Mojang people and people that go to Minecon. As it is on PC. Yes, beta build 4 is rolling out. Can you confirm that you are getting it? No. Will your game be related to Minecraft anyway? I'm not doing that game anymore. Pocketmine, yes, I'm the owner for Pocketmine. Let's see. Oh, Phil Fat, you are joining from a VPN or a VPS IP or some proxy because our bot has detected you as a harmful user. Alright. Do you have more questions? Because otherwise I'm just going to end this in 4 minutes. It's time. Hi. Hi! This is going to end soon. I'm going to upload this later to YouTube, so if you miss anything, you can just watch it there. Do you see Mojang implemented some kind of MCPE ownership verification so it will limit piracy and need for login plugin? That's online authentication. It's being worked on, but we don't have a lot of stuff figured out, so we'll know more as we implement it. Why most have no AI at Pocketmine servers? We're implementing that for Pocketmine 1.6. It just needs time. Why can't we open chess on creative mode? That's a very good question, and I can tell you that it's very broken if you open them. On Ser 12, servers can now force open chess on creative mode to users, but if you do, you will see that everything is really broken. How much codes do you know? What? Do I know 1 code, 2 codes, 3 codes? I don't know how. What? Let's see. So work on a mapper. You can just write a Pocketmine plugin to do that. Ready? With Pocketmine, can you use wool particles to imitate rain? You already have rain on server 12 and servers will support that, and you already have rain particles, so why do you want to do that? Also, if you send that many particles, it will lag everything on a big server. No, I'm not going to change the Pocketmine logo, even if the nether reactor got removed. The texture is still there. Yes, I'm sorry. I need a name tag here. Yes, I'm sorry. Can you explain how control support works? You plug in your controller and it works. You might need a Bluetooth one or something else, or it might only work with specific ones. You have changed a lot, Soggy, in Spanish. Please talk in English. then use other languages. Anyway, oh yeah, let's check. I can check that. Let's see. When will the live stream end? In a few minutes. Let me see. Alerts. Classes have increased for Minecraft Pocket Edition. Nice. I did not know that. Yeah, it's still updating. Everything is okay. Yeah, so you will see it soon on your store. Can you pronounce your name? Sogi? Also, to use the new build that I released for Pocketmine, you need the build for. Alright, I will just release. Wait. Yeah. What do you do tonight? Leave. I already finished the stream, so I will wait. I will post the stream later there. You can. I will just upload it, or you can watch other streams there. I already posted the other two I did and the old ones. You will be able to see it like in 2-3 hours or so. And then, well, see you next time. We might stream this weekend. I don't know what I will be doing, or maybe this week. I don't know. But yeah, expect some other streams soon. And you can, if you miss any stream, you can just go later to that channel, so subscribe there. And also follow me here so you will receive notification when I go live. And yeah, that's everything. So see you next time and have a good day.